we have our VS Code hint, tips, and trick of the week. So this week is Task Explorer. You can paste that link in there. So basically, whether you've got all these different tasks on PM, grunt, sass, yarn, docker, whatever, you can run it within Task Explorer within VS Code. It's a plugin that gives you a sidebar that allows you to run tasks. So basically, it's a nice way to run command line items organized to what you might need, all within VS Code without having to leave the VS Code workspace.
Yeah, it's pretty neat. I'm really liking the way it looks. I'm zooming in on my screen for those watching. But yeah, so I mean, you basically have a task explorer, and then depending on the different tasks you have, it'll pop them out. I know there's some different extensions which give you some of the box tasks you can run and everything, but like here for NPM tasks, a lot of the projects we use have NPM built in to build our Elixir and Webpack and stuff, and it'd be kind of nice. Yeah, it'll be pretty interesting. So right now, it's not supporting everything that you're using, but it's one of those things we can probably improve. So
what I like is whenever they, command lines, they are what they are. A lot of people don't know what they are or intimidated by them. Well, this gives you a nice GUI to be able to say, hey, I need to do this, click, it's done. Yep. It's just making it easier and streamlining your workflow if you can't remember every little command you want to do.
I have trouble sometimes too, and you have to open up multiple versions of your terminal inside of VS Code, and then you got to make sure you jump back to the right one. Then you're like, wait, is it npm run div or run div dash this, or is it CF format or lint check or format check, or so yeah, having a nice little list of them would be definitely a big plus. So pretty cool. So again, just another little VS Code tool that just helps make your life a little easier. If that's something you spend a lot of time working in, that might be the one for you. That was our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week, brought to you by Modernize or Die podcast, CFML News Edition, proudly sponsored by Order Solutions. You can see the new episodes every week on cfmlnews.modernizeordie.io or on the Order